everybody, we're out here at Ingalls again. Gonna go after some sheephead
and white trout
and whatever else will bite. Today is Fishmas. It is the benefit fishing tournament for needy families in the area. It's put on by the tackle shop Seed to Swamp there in Gaucher. Me and Silas was fishing it this morning, and we come back out here with Amos. Hopefully we'll catch a couple of redfish and be able to go up there and weigh them in. What you want, Amos? Doritos?
redfish
Well, we're fixing to get out here, catch us some sheephead, hopefully a couple of redfish.
and white trout.
Let's start off with the biggest fiddler crab in the bunch. Oh, that's got to catch a big sheephead right there. Just hook them in at the base of the leg and then come out. That's like candy for a sheephead. We got one, guys. We got one. Oh, he's pulling. Get the net, Si.
Where is it?
It's back there. Big sheep.
Get off of it, Amos!
Big sheep, Si.
Oh!
You got the net?
No. Not a big sheep! Here we go!
Oh, get him in the net.
Not a
Pick him up. Pick him up. Can you get him up?
big sheep! That's too heavy!
Ooh, good job, man. That's a good sheep. Good job, guys.
He's fast!
Yeah, he is. Let's go back here and check him out. Yeah. You want to pet him, Amos?
Watch out! Watch out!
Oh, you got another white trout?
Yep. Wait, that was a white trout?
No, that's not a white trout.
Oh, what is it?
Yes.
Alright.
Good night.
Good night.
Look at the teeth on that rascal. See all those scarring on his face? That's just from hitting the shells and barnacles that he eats. That's why his teeth is like that. See all the scarring on his face?
I can see the scarring.
There's a scar in Amos. Do you see that?
Well,
All the marks on his face?
yeah. Oh, they're 22 inches.
22 and a half. Look at that. Good job, Si.
Why can't we keep this? It's
Because I don't want to clean those.
pooping. Oh, it is.
Throw him back. Let him poop. What, Si? Hang on to him. Keep the line tight. Keep the line tight, Si.
No.
Oh, out the other side. Got to catch him in the air.
Hey!
Good job, man.
There
High five, bud.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! That hurts!
What hurts?
They fight hard!
Yeah, they fight hard.
Oh, no! Yeah! I said that hook perfect! I said that hook
Perfect. All right, let's go around the corner.
Alright,
See if we can get out all this rough water.
I did say one more fish. Five more.
Amos, you having fun? Good.
He's just having fun.
Got something here, Si. Yeah. What we got? You got one? Doubling up. That's a good white trout there.
Metal two.
Oh, each of y'all had two?
Bunch of them.
Oh, okay. There he is.
Are you just walking?
Straight down, bud. They're straight below us. Look at him. Look at him, Amos. You see him?
Yeah.
Well, that water's super clear.
Rainbow.
Oh, that's a good one too. There he is. Come here. Here, Si. I'm gonna throw it right out there. You gotta give it time. It's gonna take about 1.5 minutes to reach the bottom. But just let it fall, let it fall, let it fall, let it fall. Then when it quits falling, you pick up one reel and you just wait for them to hit it. Here you go, Si. Take this one. Reel. Don't put slack back in it. Silas, you had one on yours.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, your line's so tangled up you can't catch anything.
No, I have one.
Yeah, there you go. You got one. Here, take this one too. Reel this one in. Reel. You put slack in it, he may have come off. You see when you put the slack in that line, he just come right off. You got to keep your line tight. All right, let's go see if we can't catch some more sheephead. What you got? Well, what kind of fish you got, bud? He get off? Good job, man.
That close to my PB.
Yeah, it's a pretty big one.
He said, add the line.
Reel him up some more. You got too much line out.
Daddy.
Good job, man. If you don't believe that sheephead are picky eaters, look at this. They ate half of a fiddler crab. I didn't think that was possible, but he sure did. Them little bony teeth just picked half of it right there at my hook. Picky eaters. Let's put another one down there and try to catch his daddy. Right here on the west side of Ingalls, and 2 out of the past 3 casts has been right there in the corner, and I've had hits, but they haven't taken my hook. It could be little juvenile sheephead, or it could be them just being picky eaters. I don't know. But I say we catch one and find out. Saul said it's still on. I guess he was still on, huh?
Here, Dad, this is super big. No, that's not big. Well, that is not big.
Well, good job, man.
I thought you were big. That was
Get him in, bud. How big is he?
giant.
Whoa, that is a big white trout.
That's a giant! There we go!
That's a good one, bud. That's a good fat one, too.
Yeah, that is. It's my PB.
Not the first time Silas said that's his PB today. Silas said he caught 5 PBs today. All right, now we're recording, Si. Amos, what are you doing, son? Sit down.
Oh, baby, you're making me fall off the toe. Oh,
It's a good sheep.
all
right.
Oh, that's
Good
mine.
job.
Oh, the fish is mine. You have to reel it in, Amos.
Look at there, Si. Huh?
Big.
Another PB.
Oh, the fish when you had it.
These sheephead, they're in there, they're along these columns and along this wall, but they are biting so light. They're just, you can barely feel it. So your line has to be tight when they hit it for you to even know it, or you're just gonna reel in and your crab's gonna be gone. If you don't believe me, ask Si. Ah, dadgummit. Yep. Good sheep, good sheep. Got him, Si? Silas? Oh, dadgummit.
My sheep was still in here.
I should have had this one in the live well. Well, at least I won't have to clean him tonight. Yeah, you got a mess. What you got back there, Si? He's huge. Your pole's messing up? What is going on? I don't know if we'll be able to see it. You're right in the sun. Oh, right on Amos. Good job.
That's almost not eating.
Almost. These sheephead, man, they're aggravating. They barely bite. I don't care if it's a 10-pounder. Get it down there where they are. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's a good one, Si. He's a good one.
I'm ready.
Are you ready for this one?
Yes.
Ah,
Get here, Dad. Get
I'm trying, bud.
Come here.
I'm trying, man.
Come here.
Ah.
Come here.
All right, are you ready, Si?
Yes, I'm ready. Get him out.
All right.
Oh.
You see that, Si?
Oh.
You see that? Here he comes, man.
Oh.
Here he comes. Hold on, hold on. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. Woo! Get him in the boat. You're about to dump him out. Oh! Did he stab you?
No. Drop that whole thing on my.
All right, Si.
Ow.
Woo!
Ow.
That's a good one there, man. Jeez Louise. I was just saying how finicky they are. Man, you can't tell if it's one 25 inches or if he's 10 inches. They bite, just nibble, just like that. But dude, when you hook into one that size, good night. The fight is on. It's like a 10-pound brim. Oh, jeez. That's pretty awesome there. I love fighting those dudes.
Look at those teeth.
Yeah.
I can see I could just, my foot still hurts.
Your foot still hurts? Yeah, he got you. Look at that.
So he just hit me while he was in the net. I dropped the net on my foot.
Oh. What's going on here, boys? That's all she wrote for today. I took the boys over here to play on the beach for a few minutes, and we're headed to the house. Gonna get there before dark. We caught 5 really good sheephead, 2 of which are over 22 inches. Caught countless number of white trout, but we didn't get any redfish or speckled trout, so so we didn't win the tournament, and so we didn't even go back up to see the weigh in. I had both of the boys. I appreciate Rocky from See the Swamp for putting on Fishmas tournament, helping out families in need this time of year. We do appreciate that and support that. And so we'll be there again next year. Hopefully things go a little better for me and I can make the way in. I hate I missed that. And always remember, leave the rest. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.